Hi, guys, and welcome back to Investing in New Hampshire with me, Carla Garrick. I from Porcupine Real Estate, and today I'm delighted, as always, to be joined with the wonderful Brittany Ping of Ledgeview Commercial. Welcome back.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and so before I forget, I do want to remind everyone who's tuning in to please go to porcupinerealestate.com, hit the buy button, go to investment properties, and sign up for our newsletter. You can also go to the tiny URL Porcupine Picks over there if that's easier for you. This newsletter is the best way for people to get a bead on what is up in New Hampshire, what the investment opportunities are, where people can make money, where they can move, how they can build their lives here in New Hampshire. So today, I believe we will be talking about a property in Rochester. So no West Side today. Today we
I
are not on the
know, so sad.
coast. Tell us about this property, Britt.
Awesome. So I picked Rochester for us to talk about. This is right next to a commercial space. It was just listed earlier this month. It's been taken down in price. So right now it's listed at $639,900. It is a four-family, so it is still eligible for things like your VA, FHA, right? Your house hacking should be an excellent house hack and also an excellent investment. It's got two one-bedroom units, one two-bedroom unit, and one three-bedroom unit. Current rents are at $58.50 a month, but I project revenue somewhere between $70,000 to $72,000. It really depends on how much you want to hit fair market rents in Rochester. If you want to learn about raising those rents, so you do have some growth opportunity here. We did, Mark and I did one called How to Raise Rents and Not Be a Jerk on your Landlord 101. So this would be an opportunity to use some of those strategies. Another thing that's really cool about this Rochester is it is in a qualified opportunity zone. So that means there's opportunities for tax deferment, for decrease in your potential capital gains. There's some really excellent things that come with purchasing a multifamily home in an investment zone. These are not everywhere. They are not in all parts of every city. So this is a unique opportunity. If you look around where this property is too, it's a really excellent area. It's right next to a big commercial space. It kind of creates the piece into the residential side. So I think we've got a picture of that backyard. There's a lot of space for tenants, or if you were going to house hack to enjoy. So a really cool piece to look at. Lots of room for growth in regards to rents. And those extra bonuses that come along with being in what was that word?
Opportunity zone.
Opportunity zone. It's like you call them like a qualified tax zone. That's not what it is.
And of course, for folks who may not know, we call it the Free Coast. It is the seacoast of New Hampshire. It is a wonderful area. I mean, all of New Hampshire is a great place to live, but this is really, Rochester is sort of maybe the little stepsister to some of the fancier towns, but there's real opportunity there. I think that, you're still near the ocean. You're still near all those great restaurants, museums, things for the kids to do, homeschooling. Of course, we have in the Free State community, we have two community centers out there. There's Praxium, that is very family focused and kind of homeschool, unschool, family membership based. And then there's the Shell, where it's more open and public facing. So there's a lot to do in that area. But as you say, this is like one of those unique little opportunities where there's upside money, but there are also these other things we can take advantage of, like this opportunity zone that allow people to defer their taxes, do some capital gains advantages over time. And so this is a great property for people to take a look at. If folks want to get a hold of you, how can they?
I wanted to add one little more fun tidbit about Rochester. Rochester has a mayor, which is not very common. So it's also a really cool, like you get to do big town, little town, New Hampshire, right? You wouldn't think that a smaller town like Rochester, but they do. But you can get a hold of me, Brittany Ping, bping at ledgeviewcommercial.com.
Fantastic. And for folks back home, you can get a hold of me at Carla at porcupinerealestate.com, and be sure to sign up for that newsletter. Like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. This is where you are going to get all the news that you need to come be and build with us in the Free State. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.